Good morning, everybody, and I mean morning. Welcome back to the shop. It is 4 a.m. on August 1st, and I am here this early because I want to get out the Harbor Freight 30% off sale. It's happening this weekend. Today, it actually started yesterday, July 31st. It is on today, August 1st, and tomorrow, August 2nd. What is the Harbor Freight 30% sale? Well, it's my favorite sale. In essence, you can buy 5 items a day under $10 and you get 30% off. If you're an Inside Track Club member, that price goes up to $20. So you can buy 5 items at 20 bucks a piece and get 30% off. Now, why do I think this is a great sale? Because this sale alone pays for my Inside Track Club membership. I mean, really, if you do the math, Inside Track Club is 45 bucks for 2 years. I save $45 just shopping this sale over a 2-year period. I have 4 things. I don't even have 5 in my cart yet, but I have 4 things in my cart. When I go to the store later today, they're going to save me $18 just today on 4 things. So realistically, if you shop this sale and only this sale, it will pay for the Inside Track Club membership. So let me show you what you can get at the store. I like to show you things I've already purchased. I know a lot of guys walk around the store and point at things. I want to show you things that I've bought and I use because I recommend them, because I own them and I use them. One other thing to look at, though, in the store is they have their instant savings sale. My store lets me stack that sale on top of this sale. So if there's something on instant savings that's already 25% off, you can get another 30% off. That's a great deal. Now, obviously, you got to need what's on sale, but there's 75 things usually on that sale, so I check it out. So let's go through the list here. The first thing I'm going to say is great to get in this sale is your disposable incidental stuff. They sell brand name stuff. They have WD-40 there. They have Gorilla Glue there. Woodworking, Gorilla Glue. I need this. I buy, these are like $9 a thing. So you're going to get $2.70 off every time you buy one of these bottles of glue. You know, I go through glue. So every time this sale happens, I buy a bottle of that glue. If you use the nitrile gloves, they have several different thicknesses of nitrile gloves. You can get these, almost all of them, at 30% off. Many other spray, Vaporust. They sell all kinds of brand name spray stuff in there. So the incidentals, the disposables, they're great to get during this sale. Now let me go through. I got these sorted kind of by brand name. So I'm going to start with Doyle. As you know, I love the Doyle brand. Doyle brand at Harbor Freight is kind of, Harbor Freight does the good, better, best. Doyle is a best brand at Harbor Freight. And I have several things here that are between $10 and $20. Some of them are under 10, so anybody can shop them. Some of these are going to be over 10 or under 20, so you're going to need to be ITC to get these. I'm going to start with this demolition set of screwdrivers. This is a great little set of screwdrivers, and they are, I believe, this is a tricky one because I think some stores have it at $9.99 and some have them at $10.99. So you may need to be Inside Track Club depending on your store, but these Doyle screwdriver set is really good. Also, this ratcheting screwdriver. I have really come to like this screwdriver a lot. It is well built. I believe it's an 11-in-1, and it is... What I like about it the best is this has got the best build quality of any ratcheting screwdriver I've used. It really is a good tool. It's 15 bucks. You're going to get it for like $10.50. Doyle makes a good hammer. This is a 16-ounce hammer, so it's not the heaviest hammer, but it is one solid hunk of metal, and it's a good standard hammer. It sells for 20 bucks. $19.99, so you can get this for 14 bucks. At 14 bucks, that's what I paid for it. It's a good deal to get this hammer. This might be the best utility knife I've ever got. This is by Doyle as well. Anybody can get this because this is under 10 bucks. Get it 30% off. It is a really good knife. Then we have they have an entire selection of pliers. This is just 3 sets of the groove joint pliers. As you can see, I love the Doyle pliers. I have about 10 pair of them. Almost all of them are under $20. Some of them are under 10. I know this small 8-inch pair of groove joint is $9.99, so anybody can go and get this size. The rest of the sizes, unfortunately, are between $10 and $20, so you're going to need to be Inside Track Club. But again, 30% off of all of it. One Pittsburgh thing I have here, actually a couple of Pittsburgh things. I recently picked this up and it's becoming my favorite tool. Okay, so like I said, this is becoming my favorite tool because what this is, in essence, is a nut driver. You can put any 1/4-inch socket on the end of this and it becomes a nut driver. And what's neat about it is it's telescoping. You need more reach, just stretch it out. You got a longer nut driver. You need a little more torque. Guess what? The rear end here, you put your socket in here, just like that. And now you've got an extension with your socket. This has very quickly become one of my favorite pickups at Harbor Freight. I've had it about a month now. I've used it about 6 times, and every time I've just said, boy, this is a really smart tool. Now, the one thing I will tell you is I don't know that if I'd use it like this, extended out, because that could be a little fragile. But in like this, it's a great extension. All in all, I think it's a great tool. I really am enjoying this. More Pittsburgh. Everybody needs occasionally to beat on something. I have these 2 sizes, and you can see I got another one up there. I just picked up the little small one. They make 5 sizes of this, from 1 to I think 5 pounds. All of them are under $20. The 2 smallest ones are under 10. These things are great. You can beat the bejesus out of something with these things. And guess what? You break it, it's Pittsburgh. Lifetime warranty. Bring it back in, they'll give you a new one. Can't beat it. These things are so cheap, you can't beat them. And almost always one of them's on either Instant Savings or Inside Track Club sale as well right now. The 3-pound one is right now on sale for $7 Inside Track, which is, I believe, I don't have the 3. This is the 2, that's the 1, and that's the 4. I don't have the 3. Anyway, maybe I'll pick the 3 up. Grant's microfiber towels, the big bag. This bag retails for $10. Get them on the 30% sale for $7 a bag. These are great. I mean, this is a 12-pack of big 16 by 16 microfiber towels. These are the best towels I've ever used. I really, really, really like this set of towels. Let's get them out of the way. Tape measures. They have several. I will caution you to not get the cheap Pittsburgh one. They're really not that good. But this set from Bauer, I have the 16, the 25, and the 12. What I like about the Bauer, they have Hercules as well. And the difference is the Bauers do that. They stay open and you push the button to close them. The Hercules work like a normal tape measure where you pull it out, it goes back in like that. I like the Bauer for this. I like it because you pull it out and it stays out. These are all under $20 for sure. This one might be just over 10. These 2 I think are under 10. So again, great buys. Harbor Freight sells several bags and pouches, and I'm just going to talk about this today. I love this little pouch that sells for I think $3 at MSRP, maybe under 3, 2 and change. So you can get these things for like $1 and change with the sale. And these are great to just take and put some tools in and keep them in the trunk of the car. They're just great for that, and I just love them. And you know, they're made out of 600D polyester, which is medium strength. They're good enough to keep in the trunk of the car and keep a few tools in. I really like these bags. And I can't really say enough about them. I've got like 8 of them now, and I keep little sets of tools in them, and they just work. I mean, and they're just dirt cheap. All right, let's talk about a few things that I'm going to partially recommend for this sale. And the reason I'm saying partially is next week they're doing their parking lot sale, and a few of the things that I'm going to talk about now might be cheaper on the parking lot sale. But we're going to talk about Quinn first. Quinn is going to be, I think, 35% off all of their hand tools for the parking lot sale. And I'm not quite sure if all of their tools are included in this. I don't know if that includes socket sets. I'm not sure what, but it's 5% difference. So something like this. This is my favorite set of screwdrivers at Harbor Freight. This MSRP is for $4. So the difference between 30% off and 35% off, it's not worth another trip to the store if you just need a set of screwdrivers. And this is a great set to pick up. Keep them in the junk drawer, keep them in the glove box. I've got about 6 sets of these now. I got another set right here. I got them all over the place. These are just really good good, well-made screwdrivers at a really good price. A few other Quinn items. Quinn makes many pliers as well, and I prefer Doyle, but Quinn has some strange ones. You know, these angled needle nose pliers that I picked up. These are both, I believe, under 10. They're definitely under 20. They're probably under 10. And again, if you're only going to the store and you're going to pick up a few things and you don't want to go back for the parking lot sale, the difference of 5% is not that big. Go ahead and pick these up now. The other thing, I picked up this set of scissors, shears, whatever you want to call them. These are really nice. I mean, this is a quality set of shears. I've been using, I don't know if I still have them. I think I broke them. I've been using the Pittsburgh one for years, and the Pittsburgh one, they don't even come close to standing up to these. These are way better. This is a good set of shears. They do cost over $10, but they're under 20. I highly recommend them. Get them while they're on sale for 30% off. And then the last thing that I always say for this sale is my favorite thing to get. I have to throw a caution on here this time because the parking lot sale is going to have all clamps. And you know I love my Harbor Freight F clamps. All clamps are going to be 40% off next week. So, look, if you're in the store this week and you're shopping this sale and you just need one or two of these at $3 a piece, you know, the extra 10%, it's 30 cents. That doesn't even start my truck up. So there's no sense going back for 30 cents. Pick the clamps up during this sale. If you're going to go get some of the, you know, the higher priced, you know, Bremen, you know, or the big parallel Bremens, wait for the parking lot sale because they're gonna be, one, some of those are over $20, and two, they're all gonna be 40% off. So that is the sale, guys. I love this sale. I'll be there today. I'll pick up, I have 4 things in my cart right now. No doubt I'll find a 5th thing because, well, you know, it is what it is. But like I said, this is a great sale. This pays for my Inside Track Club membership every year. This sale alone, every time they do it, I make enough savings to pay for my Inside Track Club. So again, I hope you like this video. If you do go to the Harbor Freight and get something, post down below what you got. Let's get a little chat going and see what we got going on here. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next one.